welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Daniel, and this is Speaker of English Channel, the place where learning English feels natural, calm, and stress-free. Take a breath. Get comfortable. I'm really glad you're here.
Hi, Daniel. Hi, everyone listening. It's good to be back. And if you're new, welcome.
Thanks, Mia. So before we start, how are you doing today? Feeling good?
Yes, I'm good. Kind of relaxed. I've got my peppermint tea and I'm ready to learn.
Nice. I've just got water today. Nothing fancy.
Water is classic. Can't go wrong.
True. So before I tell you what we're learning today, let me ask you, do you ever say something in English and then later think, wait, was that correct?
Yes, all the time. And sometimes I don't even realize something is wrong until someone corrects me. And then I think about it for days.
That's completely normal. And that feeling is exactly why today's topic exists. Today, we're talking about 10 everyday English phrases many learners say incorrectly and how to fix them.
Okay. Now I know the topic. And honestly, that sounds useful and a little scary.
Don't worry, this isn't about judging mistakes. It's about learning gently and confidently. Before we begin, I want to tell a short story. A few years ago, I worked with a student named Lucas. He was confident, friendly, and spoke English very well. During a presentation, he said, "I want to discuss about." Everyone understood him. Nothing terrible happened. But later, someone corrected him publicly, and he felt embarrassed. For the next 3 months, he spoke less. He was afraid of being wrong.
I feel that. Mistakes can feel personal sometimes.
Exactly. But mistakes are proof of learning. And today, it's not just you learning. It's all of us. You, me, and everyone listening. We're doing this together. All right, before we dive in, just remember, you don't need to memorize everything at once. Just listen, notice what sounds different, and let the language settle gently. Okay, Mia, ready to go through the first phrase?
Ready.
All right, let's start with the first one. Phrase 1. Incorrect. I'm agree. Correct. I agree. Reason, agree is a verb, so we don't need am. Example, I agree with you. Pronunciation, softly. Repeat, I agree.
I agree.
Phrase 2. Incorrect, I didn't understood. Correct, I didn't understand. Rule, after didn't, the verb goes back to its base form. Example, I didn't understand the question.
Okay, that one I've definitely messed up before.
Phrase 3. Incorrect, I'm waiting you. Correct, I'm waiting for you. Example, I'm waiting for my friend.
Yes. That one feels more natural now.
Phrase 4. Incorrect, she explained me the rule. Correct, she explained the rule to me. Example, she explained the situation to me. Phrase 5. Incorrect, can you tell me where is the station? Correct, can you tell me where the station is? Indirect questions change word order. Example, do you know where she went?
I've definitely asked it the first way.
Phrase 6. Incorrect, I have 25 years. Correct, I'm 25 years old. Or, naturally, I'm 25. Phrase 7. Incorrect. I will go yesterday. Correct. I went yesterday. Time expressions and grammar must match. Phrase 8. Incorrect. We discussed about it. Correct. We discussed it. Example, we discussed the plan. Phrase 9. Incorrect. He doesn't listens. Correct. He doesn't listen.
Same rule as the earlier one. After doesn't, simple form.
Exactly. Nice catch. Phrase 10. Incorrect. I prefer tea than coffee. Correct. I prefer tea to coffee. Alternatives. I'd rather have tea. Or, I like tea more than coffee. Okay, Mia, and everyone listening, quick quiz. Did you knew that?
Incorrect. Should be, did you know that?
Exactly. After did, the verb goes back to the base form. Know, not knew. Nice job. Okay, next one. She told me the truth.
That one is correct.
Right. Perfect sentence. Last one, and this one is very common.
Wrong?
You're right, it's not quite correct. And if you said this in your head and thought it was correct, pause, that is very normal. Many learners say it this way, so don't worry. The correct form is, I'm looking forward to meeting you. We use looking forward to plus ing. I'm looking forward to meeting you. I'm looking forward to seeing you. I'm looking forward to working with you.
Okay. That pattern helps. Looking forward to meeting, seeing, working.
Exactly. If you got any of these quiz questions wrong, that just means you discovered something new to improve. And that's a win. All right, let's move on. Before we continue, I want to say something important. If you got 1, 3, or even all of those quiz answers wrong, you're still learning, and that means you're moving forward. Mistakes don't mean you're bad at English. They mean your brain is updating.
I like that. It feels less stressful when you think of learning like an update instead of a test.
Exactly. Learning a language is more like installing software than passing an exam. Sometimes it takes time, sometimes it restarts, sometimes it freezes, but eventually everything becomes smoother.
That metaphor is too real.
All right, so now that we've checked some examples, let's go deeper for a moment. Sometimes mistakes happen because you learn the general rule, but English loves to give us exceptions. And sometimes we learn a phrase once incorrectly and then repeat it for years without noticing.
So, why do so many learners get these wrong?
3 main reasons. 1, translating directly from their native language. 2, English's strange and irregular patterns. 3, habit, speaking the way they learned first. But there's a simple solution. Hear it, say it, use it, repeat it.
Like training a muscle.
Exactly. And to make it even easier, let me give you a very simple framework you can use every time you notice a mistake.
Okay, I like frameworks. They make things feel more clear.
Great. This is a mini framework for fixing common English mistakes. There are 3 steps. I'll say them slowly. Step 1. Notice. First, become aware of the mistake. You did that today. Step 2. Replace. Learn the correct version and practice using it. Step 3. Repeat. Use it a few times over the next days so it becomes natural.
That's it. Not perfect grammar books, not pressure, just notice, replace, and repeat.
Love that. Let's try one together using the framework. Incorrect. I didn't understood. Step 1. Notice the mistake. Step 2. Replace with I didn't understand. Step 3. Repeat. I didn't understand. I didn't understand. I didn't understand.
I didn't understand. I didn't understand. I didn't understand.
There you go. The brain loves repetition. Quick practice. Now, everyone listening, wherever you are, repeat this softly with us. I'm learning. I'm improving. I'm getting better every day.
That feels nice.
It does. And it's true. All right, let's do a quick role play. Don't worry, nothing serious.
Okay, I'll try.
Good. And if you're listening, try answering with us, even if it's in your head or whispered quietly. First situation. Someone says something to you, but you didn't catch it or you didn't understand. What would you say?
I didn't understand.
Yes, exactly. Let's try another one. Someone asks, "How old are you?" What's the natural way to answer in English?
I'm blank years old.
Perfect. Both are correct and both sound natural.
It feels good to say it correctly.
It does. And the more you practice, the more automatic it becomes. All right, we're almost at the end for today. I want to take a moment to recap what we learned today, just to help your brain organize everything. We covered 10 common phrases many learners say incorrectly, and we practiced the natural versions. We also talked about why these mistakes happen, things like translation, habits, and English's weird patterns. And then we learned a simple framework. Notice, replace, repeat.
I like that. It makes everything feel easier and less overwhelming.
Exactly. Learning English doesn't need to feel heavy. Small improvements, repeated, make a huge difference over time. Before we wrap up, I want to ask something important. Be honest. Did you use any of the incorrect versions before today? If yes, you're learning, and that's what matters.
I feel more confident now. Not perfect, but clearer.
And that's the goal. Progress, not perfection. Use the phrases today. Even one correction is success. Your challenge. Comment one corrected sentence using one phrase from today's lesson.
We'll read some of them.
And if you want to keep improving your English naturally, watch the next video on your screen.
Thanks for learning with us today. You're doing great.
See you in the next lesson. Take care. And remember, every small step counts.